In front of me is the DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose about phone and click on current device name. Following that, you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Caroline. And save your changes by clicking on OK. Now you need to choose OK in this pop-up as well, and after that, as you can see, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!